Hey guys, welcome to Codeforces Every Day until GM day 20, is it? Today we're just gonna keep doing problems. Jump straight into it. Muhammad in longest uncommon subsequence. These guys were practicing for IOI, found a problem which name was longest common subsequence. They solved it. Then you have challenged Muhammad with another problem, given two strings A, B. Find the length of their longest uncommon subsequence, which is the longest string that is a subsequence of one of them and not a subsequence of the other. A subsequence is some string where the sequence of characters appears in the same order in the string. The appearances don't have to be consecutive strings. For example, the strings AB, BC, ABC, and A are subsequences of string ABC, while strings ABBC and ABC are not. The empty string is a subsequence of any string. Any string is a subsequence of itself. Okay? The first line contains A, second line contains B. So A equals stir input. B equals, okay, I need to turn this off. What was it called? Inline suggest. This one. Turn that off. And then, okay, so A and B are both strings. The length of each string is not bigger than n to the fifth. If there's no uncommon sequence, print -1. Otherwise, print the length of the longest uncommon sequence. The longest uncommon sequence? Isn't that just the length of the longest string? Because like if this was like A, B, C, D, E, then it would still be 5 because it's just A, B, C, D, E. Right? And then there's no uncommon sequence. It doesn't appear as a subsequence. So, okay, so the longest is just any string is a subsequence of itself. So if A is equal to B, print -1, else print max len A len B. Is this not just the answer? Five. Because the longest the longest subsequence would just be okay, I gotta make sure I have every case. The longest subsequence. A subsequence of some string is a sequence of characters that appears in the same order in the string. So AC, BC. Given two strings, find the longest uncommon subsequence, which is the longest string that is a subsequence of one of them and not a subsequence of the other. It's just the longest string. ABCDE is not a subsequence of ABCD, but ABCD is a subsequence of ABCDE. So Yeah, I think this is just it. I don't really understand what's 1000 rated about this question. Running on test 10. There we go. Quick question. Next. I guess we'll mark it 1, 1, easy. And this was constructive algo and strings. Okay, I'm starting to like this roadmap less and less. It just feels like there's a lot of bloat. It's like I never use these columns. These are all formatted wrong. Sometimes. I barely watch the videos and they're all in like not the language I'm looking for, Java. Some of them aren't even in English, so I don't know. I like the questions though, like I'm here to do the questions. But is there really even a rhyme to reason of which questions they put in here, or are they just random, like, rated questions? Okay, whatever. I'll just keep doing problems. 78 B Easter eggs dot pi. 1200 rated. The Easter rabbit laid n eggs in a circle and is about to paint them. Each egg should be painted one color out of 7: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Also, the following conditions should be satisfied. Each of the 7 colors should be used to paint at least one egg. Any 4 eggs lying sequentially should be painted. Different colors help the Easter rabbit paint the eggs. We know it's always possible. Okay. The line contains an integer n, the amount of eggs from 7 to 100. Print one line consisting of n characters. The other character should. Okay. Several answers, print any of them. So this is very simple, I feel like. N equals int input. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Okay. Do we not just repeat until we can't? So 8 eggs, like would we not just red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet? Oh, we can't because reds will touch. That makes it a little harder. Well, okay, here's what I'm thinking. Let's bring out a whiteboard. So we have 7 possible remainders, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are our possible remainders. And if it's above, so we have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. If our remainder is 6, then we can just repeat. So there's no control Z. This is not an issue. If it's 5, it's not an issue. If it's 4, red, orange, yellow, green, it's not an issue. If it's 3, wait, is 4 not an issue? 6 is not an issue because it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's I next to R. 5 is not an issue. It's B next to R. 4 is G next to R, so it's 1, 2, 3. Any 4 eggs should be different. Yeah, so 4 is not an issue. So it's 3 and under, or 0 is not an issue because it's V next to R. 1 would be R next to R. So we're really only looking for cases when the remainder is 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so for case 1, remainder is 1, we have V, R, I, B, G, Y, yeah, etc., etc. So this is our case. What goes in here? 4 from V, it was G, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, that works. 1, 2, 3, 4, that works. So G would work here. If the case was 2, though, it would be GB. Three, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, if case was 3, GBI. 1, 2, 3, 4. And B is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So okay, so for case 1, 2, and 3, we just start at G and replace. For all other cases, we could just replace as normal. So we just check remainder. If in mod Okay. No modification remainders equals 0, 4, 5, 6. Modification remainders equals 1, 2, 3. If in mod 7 in no mod, then for colors, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Alright, let's just double check our theory with like 8. So we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 remainders 1, so we do G. Okay. And let's do 13. 13 minus 7 is 6. So no mod, so we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I think that works. So if in no mod, then print okay, let's track 2, print in double divide by wait, okay. Equals in double divide by 7. Equals in mod 7. If remainder and no modification remainders to print equals color. What if we use it as an array first? Colors times repetitions plus colors to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The remainder was 0. Maybe from be nothing. If the remainder was 4, be 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus remainder plus 1? I might have to add an additional check for 0, but let's try. Let's do 11. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's not right. Remainder's 4. One repetition. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if I do 7, okay, that worked. Else, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2 parent equals colors times repetitions plus colors from 0, 1, 2, 3 to remainder. Okay. 13 should be, oh, it's 1 remainder 6, so what'd you give? And then we repeat like normal. And then we do 8. 8 is remainder 1. So Roji Biv 7. That's not right. Let's try 9. So this isn't working. $11 worked though. 9 didn't work. So 10. 10 didn't work. 11 worked. Roji Biv. Yeah, 11 worked because it goes through here. Uh, 8. This did not work. Wait, what? Why is this working? No more. 4, 5, 6. 11 is 4, so it goes in here. So 1, 2, 3 should go out here. So if I do 11, yeah, it goes through here. 13 goes through here. So it should go through here because it's 1, 2, 3. Three to remainder. Or it should be 3 plus remainder. 8. Roy G Biv G. Okay. 9. Roy G Biv G B. 10. Roy G Biv G B I. Okay. 11. Roy G Biv Roy G. Okay. Now to test duplicate cases, so like 14 as remainder 0. Roy G Biv, Roy G Biv. 15 is Roy G Biv G. Roy G Biv, Roy G Biv G. Okay, yeah, I think this works. Let's just test a 4, remainder 4. 19. Roy G Biv, Roy G Biv, and then Roy G B. Well, the remainder was 5 for this. Yeah, that makes sense. So I don't need modification remainders at all. I don't need this print here. I think this is just the answer. Oh, I need to join them together. Although I wonder if I even need to use arrays. Like, can I just do colors equals Roy G Biv 8. Roy G Biv G. Okay, this works. Then we'll try 11. Roy G Biv Roy G. Yeah. Okay. Browse, Easter egg, submit. Accepted. Let's go. Was it hard? Nope. I'd say 1.1 at most. Yes, constructive algo and implementation. Alright, next question. Decoding. 746b decoding.py. Control C, paste, rating, 900 rated. Quite low. Okay. Slow, we should do it fast. Polycarp is mad about coding, that's why he writes SEVTA encoded messages. He calls the median letter in a word the letter which is in the middle of the word. If the word's length is even, the median letter is the left of the 2 middle letters. In the following examples, the median letter highlighted. Wait. So left. Okay, so find the median letter basically. If the word consists of a single letter, then that is the median letter. Encodes each word the following way. He writes down the median letter, then deletes it, and then repeats the process until there's no letters left. For example, he encodes Volga as log. What? Writes down the median letter, deletes it, and repeats until there's no letters left. So the median letter is L. Writes down, then deletes it. Writes down the median letter L. Then writes down O. Then writes down G. Then writes down V. Then A. Okay, I see. Decode it. You're given an encoding and your task is to decode it. Okay. In equals to int input. And then s equals string input. So how do we do this? So we write down the middle letter of each word first. Logva. No, in middle letter B, or middle letter is A, B, B, A. So it's like basically start here and then boom, 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 boom. Okay. That's how you decode it. Decoded equals empty string for I in range in. We start with the left, or we start with the middle, which is alright, so 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 7 divided by 2. The middle should be 4. Okay, so we gotta do seal. N divided by 2 math dot seal. Import math. And then decoded plus equals m. It's not n divided by 2, it is the string at len s divided by 2. Because the length of s will change. And then we pop s dot remove s dot python move and index. Del s m. Does this work? Let's just do print s to double check, and then print decoded. I feel like this is going to be pretty slow though, because I'm going through the length of the array, and then I am going through the array again. Okay, what was I going to do? Logva. Error. Can only concatenate string, not int. Oh, ssim. String object doesn't support item deletion. Okay. List. Index out of range. What? Print m s. M is 3. So we get a length of 1. Okay, if m equals if len s equals 1, m equals 0, then one more. If len s equals 0, break. Elif. Okay. Something's wrong. Fagal. So and SM. 3 so wait. Log the Oh, I wrote this algorithm backwards. I start here. I should start here. Then we're popping the middle each time. That's not right. Okay, yeah, I fucked this up. I don't need to do any of this. We need to track even odd index. So for, or if I mod 2 is equal to 0, so it's even, then, okay, cur equals empty string, cur is equal to s dot pop, and then decoded dot append cur decoded plus equals cur, and then else cur is equal to Python pop first index. Pop 0. S dot pop 0. Okay, something's still wrong. It's the way we're adding it. We're adding this log. We're adding A L V O G when we should be A L V O. Wait, that's not right. Olga. L O G V A. So it's L O G V A. So from our point of view, it should be A V G O. how it should be. Wait, I'm messing up this algorithm so bad. So should I flip it? We start at A. Check position of V. So what's the formula? The position is if it's even, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If it's even, it's on the right. If it's odd, it's on the left. So I think I should s dot reversed. And then I'd have avgal. And then for ion range in, decoded should equal the string times n plus 1, right? Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's not right. So no plus 1. It's like this. And we iterate through n. And the position is I think we need to do something with double divide and mod again. So for example, I equals 0. I double divide 2 equals 0. I mod 2 equals 0. So it's len in minus this, depending on, and in minus this, maybe. Let's check. So if I is 1, I mod 2 is 0, so we're at plus is 0 plus. So we start from 0 and double divide 2, I is 1, double divide by 2 is 0. One double divided by 2 is 0. So our position is 0 plus 0, which is 0. Okay, when it's 0, mod 2 is 0 is 0. Okay, wait, I think this is it. Let's see. So if I mod 2 equals 0, so if it's even, cur equals cur equals len in minus I double divide 2, else cur equals I double divide 2. Len in. Len in is 5. So we're talking 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and minus 1. Oh. Decode cur equals SI. Okay, something's wrong. Print SI L. So we're calculating position of L, and let's print decoded at the end as well. Where did we place L? We placed L at the very last digit, so that's not right. It should be in the middle. Logva. Well, we did reverse this. It didn't set. Volga. Here we go. No should be no. That worked. And then ABBA should be baby. Baba. Yeah, that works. Okay. I think we got it. Just delete these print statements. Why was that like harder than it needed to be? Decoding. And Q. Wrong answer, test 1, Jover. Oh, shoot. Star. Baba. I needed a string, so I can do dot join decoded. There we go. Go back. Browse. Decoding. Submit. There we go. Hey, 2 submissions. It's actually quite hard. I would say 1.4. This was you have to figure out the formula type question. Right. Implementation strings. Implementation strings. I want to look at the tutorial for it. Be decoding. So you're saying iterate through, add 1 letter to the begin, next letter to end, next letter to begin. So if n is even, I don't really get it. Whatever. Alright. Well, I guess that's the end of today's video. We did 3 questions. Alright. Not bad, not bad. Did the 1200 today. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all guys tomorrow.